Hello my dear friends, today I am going to explain you chapter number 3 called orthogonal trajectory. Orthogonal trajectories. What is the meaning of orthogonal trajectory? If any curve, suppose that which is passing through at the point, and if the intersection of that one is 90 degree, then it is called orthogonal. We do not want to discuss more thing about the curve cutting and like that. We want to focus how to mathematically solve these type of problems. So there are two types of problems we need to discuss here. Number one, if y equal to fx function is given. Y is equal to fx function means Cartesian form is given. Cartesian form. If y is equal to fx function is given, that means we are going to discuss Cartesian form. That means what we have to do to find the orthogonal trajectory of the Cartesian form. The first step is form the differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constants, or sometimes it is called also parameter. So form the differential equation by eliminating the constant, arbitrary constant or parameter. Number one thing. Number two, after formation the differential equation, replace dy dx as minus dx dy. Then after replacing that one, then solve the differential equation. Solve the differential equation means you can solve by any method, any means which you know, means by using variable separable method, by using direct method, by using homogeneous form, or like that one. So just you need to solve it by any way, any method. What is the meaning of that one? Just I am going to explain you by picking one example from the notes. Form the differential equation. Example is find orthogonal trajectories of y equal to mx, where m is parameter. So what is that means? First of all, see that one, this is y is equal to mx, that means Cartesian form. So we have to use this method, that means form the differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constant. Formation of differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant means if this has one constant, then you need to differentiate one times. Two constant, then you need to differentiate two times, like that one. So now I am going to use first step, y is equal to fx, that means differentiate it. When you differentiate, you get dy dx equal to m. Suppose that this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now see that one, number 1 and number 2. See that one, number 2, equation number 2 is not formation of the differential equation because of it's still arbitrary constant or parameter is involved. So what you have to do, use equation number 1 or use equation number 1 and 2. So by using equation 1 and 2, we get, using equation 1 and 2 we get, what we get using equation 1 and 2? See that one, equation number 1 is y equal to mx, and equation number 2 is dy dx equal to m. So from this one we can write it y equal to m means dy dx. So it is x into m means dy dx. Now see that one, this is the formation of differential equation. That means you completed step number 1. Now if you completed number 1, then what you have to do? Now replace dy dx as minus dx dy in the given equation here. So it becomes now y equal to x, dy dx means minus dx dy, and solve it. Solving it, we get what we have to do. Just use the cross multiplication. This one is y dy equal to minus x dx, and now integrate separately. When you integrate separately, it becomes now integration of y means y square by 2 equal to integration of x means x square by 2 minus with minus plus c. This is the answer of that question, which is given as find the orthogonal trajectory of the function y is equal to mx. Another example, find the I'm not writing language, find the orthogonal trajectory of x square minus y square is equal to a square, where a is parameter. So see that one, how many parameter, how many constant? One constant. It means that one you need to differentiate it one times. So derivative of x square is 2x minus derivative of y square is 2y y1 equal to 0. Now we can write it like that one, 2x is equal to 2y y1, and cancel this one. So it becomes now x equal to y y1. Now see that one, this one is, see that one, this one is the formation of differential equation. It means that one you completed step number 1 because of no constant, no arbitrary constant is here. So that's why it is completed step number 1, that means formation of differential equation. After completing step number 1, that means form the differential equation. Now you have to replace dy dx as minus dx dy. We get, replace this dy dx as minus dx dy here, we get x times equal to y, and dy dx means minus dx dy. What you have to do now? Simplify it. That means solve it, and solving it. When you try to solve it by using the method, what you have to do? Just see that one, use the cross multiplication. Then this becomes now dy divided by y equal to dy divided by equal to minus dx divided by x. So what we have to do? Minus dx divided by x. What you have to do? Just integrate it. Just integrate it. When you integrate it, you will get like that one. Equal to integration of that one, that means dy divided by y integration equal to minus dx divided by x integration. So integrate it, we get ln of y equal to minus ln of x plus ln of c. So when you write ln all side, then you can simplify it. Ln of y equal to ln c divided by x, so that you can write it xy equal to c. This one is the orthogonal trajectory, or you can say that one orthogonal trajectory of the given function. Another example of that form is find the orthogonal trajectory of y square is equal to 4ax, where a is parameter. It means that one Again you have one constant, one arbitrary constant here, so that means you have to differentiate one time. So what you have to do, you have to differentiate it one time. So derivative of y square is 2y y1 equal to 4a, or you can cancel it, it becomes y1 is equal to 2a. Now see that one, if you see here a constant, a parameter is involved, it means that one, this is not the first step, means completing the first step, means this is not the formation of differential equation. So what you have to do, comparing this equation and this equation and eliminating a. So from that one, this I am assuming 1 and this I am assuming 1. Second, from second, can I write a equal to y square divided by 4x? Yes. Then from second, see that one, y1 equal to 2a, a means y square divided by 4x, or we can write it y1 equal to y square divided by 2x. Now cancel this, so it becomes now y1 equal to y divided by 2x. Now see that one, there is no parameter or constant, so it means that one, this is the formation of differential equation. So what you have to do, now replace dy dx as minus dx dy. Replace dy dx as minus dx dy. So it means that it becomes minus dx dy equal to y divided by 2x, and solve it. When you try to solve it, just nothing, just use the cross multiplication, it becomes minus 2x integration dy equal to y minus 2x integration dx is equal to y. Now integrate it, minus 2 x square by 2 plus integration constant equal to y square by 2. This cancel and simplify it. When you simplify it, you will get minus x square plus c equal to y square by 2. Or you can, if you want to simplify more, then multiply this by this one. So it becomes minus 2x square plus 2c equal to y square. This is the answer of that question. It means that this is the answer as in terms of orthogonal trajectory. Now I am going to pick another question, that is find the orthogonal trajectory of y is equal to ax square plus 4ax plus 4, where a is parameter. So again this one is Cartesian form. So what you have to do, check how many constant, how many parameter, only one parameter. So it means that one, you need to differentiate one time. So dy dx equal to 2ax plus 4a. Now see again, this one assume 1 and this one assume second equation. So again see that one, this one and this one, when you see, this is not the formation of differential equation as a is involved here. So what you have to do, just eliminate by using first and second. So just keeping outside a, we have this one as 2x plus 4. Now from first, see, can I write a equal to y divided by x square plus 4x plus 4? Yes, we can write it. See that one, from this, keep outside a. When you keep outside a, this becomes y divided by x square plus 4x plus 4. Now use this a value here. So when you use this value a here, this becomes now dy dx is equal to 2x plus 4 into a means y divided by x square plus 4x plus 4. Now see that one, there is no parameter, no constant, it means that one, this is the formation of differential equation. Now simplify it, you will get the result. Simplify means we can write it like that, keeping 2 common, it is x plus 2 into y, and we can write it here x plus 2 power 2. So, and now cancel this one. So, what is that one? This becomes now dy dx equal to 2y divided by x plus 2. Now, what you have to do? This is the formation of differential equation. What you have to do? Replace dy dx as minus dx dy. We get minus dx dy equal to 2y divided by x plus 2. Now simplify it. That means solve it. So integration x plus 2 dx is equal to 2y dy with integration. Now when you integrate it, it becomes minus x square by 2. See, minus is here, so this minus and this plus and minus minus 2x plus integration constant equal to 2y square by 2. Cancel this one and you can write it. You can write it now, or you can write it only that one. So it becomes now minus x square by 2 minus 2x plus c equal to y square. This is the answer of that question, which is in the form of find the orthogonal trajectory. Find the orthogonal trajectory. That means this one is the answer of that one in the form of find the orthogonal trajectory. Minus x square by 2 minus 2x plus c equal to y square. Now another example is that find the orthogonal trajectory of y plus x plus 1 equal to a e power x, where a is parameter. Again, this is Cartesian form. So, and check that one, how many constants are here? One parameter, one arbitrary constant. So you need to differentiate it 1 times. So after derivative, what you have to do? Derivative of y is y1 plus derivative of x is 1 equal to a e power x. So see that one, this is not formation of differential equation because of a constant or parameter is involved here. So what we have to do? Use this one. Using 1, that means given equation we get dy dx plus 1. Ax means a e power x means y plus x plus 1 from this one. So now can I cancel this one? This one? Yes. If you cancel this one, you get dy dx equal to y plus x. Now this is the formation of differential equation. Next step is replace dy dx as minus dx dy. So we get minus dx dy equal to y plus x. Now see that one, if you compare, because of I need to solve it. So for the solution of that one, we know that one dy dx plus py equal to q is the linear differential equation of first order. So if it is linear differential equation of first order, then you need to write integrating factor, which is e power p dx, and general solution is y times integrating factor equal to q into integrating factor dx plus c. So now simplified, it means we can write it like d minus dx dy plus py. Dy dx written y dependent variable here, then py. Here x is dependent variable, that means here you need to write minus x equal to y. Q is the function of y here because of dy dx is here, then q function x. But here dx dy, so q will be function of y. Now because of this is not differential equation linear because of here minus here. So what you have to do? Multiply with minus. So it becomes dx dy plus x equal to minus 1. So see that one, when you compare we get p equal to 1 and q is equal to minus y. So that integrating factor is, now integrating factor is e power p dx. Here x means here dependent variable d, when dy then here dx, when here dx dy then here dy. So it is e power p means 1, so e power y. Now general solution is y when dependent variable is here y, but here dependent variable is x. X into integrating factor equal to integration q into integrating factor dy plus c. Now integrate it, so we get this one minus y integration of e power y plus minus derivative of minus y is minus 1 and integration of this one is e power y plus c. Now simplified, it becomes x e power y equal to minus this one minus plus e power y plus c. Or you can simplify more, means if you divide it by y e power y, it becomes x equal to minus y plus 1 plus c e power minus y. This is the orthogonal trajectory of that question. Hopefully you understand, my dear friends. Another example is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus a equal to 0. Remember that one here a is parameter and g is constant. It means that one you need to differentiate only one time because of a is parameter here. So for getting the solution of that one, you have to differentiate it. Derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of y square is 2y1 plus derivative of 2gx is 2g, but remember that one g is constant, a is parameter, so derivative of the constant is 0. So see that one, this is that. Or we can simplify it as x plus y y1 plus g equal to 0. Now there is no parameter, means derivative process is finished. What you have to do, you can now this is the formation of differential equation. What you have to do now, replace dy dx as minus dx dy. Now we get x plus y dy dx means minus dx dy plus g equal to 0. Now solve it. That means just we can write it y with minus dx dy equal to minus x minus g, or multiply with minus, it becomes y dx dy equal to x plus g. Remember that one, g is constant. Now solve it. So it's up to you. So how can I solve? So see that one, just use the variable separable method. It becomes dx divided by x plus g equal to dy divided by y, and integrate it. So integration of dx divided by this one is ln x plus g equal to ln of y plus ln of c. You can write here or here also. Because of see that one here everywhere ln, so better is that write ln both side, all side. So when you simplify it, it becomes ln of x plus g equal to ln of cy. Ln cancel. What is that? X plus g equal to cy. This is the answer of that question, means orthogonal trajectory of the given function. Orthogonal trajectory of the given function. Now this type of question, find the orthogonal trajectory of x square plus 3y square is equal to cy, which is passing through 1, 2. So see that one, c is the parameter, c is here parameter, c is parameter. So it means that one you need to differentiate it one time. So differentiate it 2x plus 6y y1 equal to cy1. Now see here, derivative of this one 3 multiplied by 2, 6y y1 equal to cy1. Now see, because of this one is not the formation of differential equation, so what you have to do, assume this one is first and this one is second. So from first, can I write c value as x square plus 3y square divided by y? Yes. So now from Second, what we have to do? 2x plus 6y, y1 equal to y1 into c. C means x square plus 3y square divided by y. Now replace or transfer all y1 in one place and simplify it. So it means that we can write it like 2x plus 6y y1 minus y1 into x square plus 3y square divided by y equal to 0, and keep outside y1. So 2x y1 common, so it is here 6y minus x square plus 3y square divided by y equal to 0. Now multiply this by this one, means simplify it. So it comes 2x plus y1, and this comes 6y square minus x square minus 3y square divided by y equal to 0. After that one, again simplified. So we can write it like 2xy plus y1 into 6y square minus 3y square, that means 3y square minus x square equal to 0. So now see, this one is the formation of differential equation. Now replace dy dx as minus dx dy. So after replacing dy dx as minus dx dy, what we get? We get dx dy. After replacing dy dx as minus dx dy, we get 2xy minus dx dy into 3y square minus x square is equal to 0, or we can write it 2xy equal to 3y square minus x square into dx dy, or we can write it dy dx is equal to 2xy divided by dy dx is equal to dy dx is equal to 3y square minus x square divided by 2xy. So now see that one, solving it. What you see that one? This, if you see, means how can I solve? Then variable separable method you cannot apply. But when I check that one, here degree 2, here degree 2 also, here down also degree 2, it means that one we can solve it by using homogeneous form, because of this is homogeneous differential equation. So in homogeneous, since it is homogeneous differential equation, means replace dy dx as v plus x dv dx and y equal to vx. So it becomes now, this differential equation becomes now v plus x dv dx equal to 3 v square x square minus x square divided by 2x square into v, because of x 2x, y means vx, so xx multiply. Now x square up, so keep outside, so it becomes now x v plus x dv dx equal to 3 v square minus 1 divided by 2v. Now replace this one here, we get v plus x dv dx is equal to 3v square minus 1, replacing this one here, divided by 2v minus v, means it becomes 3v square minus 1 minus 2v square divided by 2v, this, or x dv dx is equal to 3v square minus 2v square means v square minus 1 divided by 2v. So now when I try to solve it, we can apply variable separable method. 2v divided by v square minus 1 dv equal to dx divided by x. Now see that one, the derivative of down term is given up, so that the integration of that one is simply ln v square minus 1 equal to ln of x plus ln of c, because of ln is everywhere. So this one is the orthogonal trajectory of the given function, but it is passing through the point 1 comma. Since it is passing through the 1 comma 2, so what we have to do, just replace ln v square minus 1 equal to ln of x plus ln of c. So now replace ln. V means, see that one, y is equal to vx. So v means y square divided by x square minus 1 equal to ln of cx. So c ln cancel. It becomes y square minus x square divided by x square is equal to cx. Now see that one, when x is equal to 1, it is given here y is equal to 2 because of it is passing through 1 comma 2. So replace that one, we get the result of c. So y means 4 minus 1 divided by 1 equal to c. So it means that c equal to 4 minus 1 means 3. So this is the value of c. Therefore, orthogonal trajectory passing through 1 comma 2 is y square minus x square divided by x square is equal to c means 3x, or y square minus x square is equal to 3x power 3. This is the answer of that question, which is passing through the 1 comma 2. Another example is that find the orthogonal trajectory of y is equal to cx, where c is parameter which is passing through pi by 2 comma 1. So what you have to do, c means one parameter. So for the solution of that one, you have to differentiate one time. So dy dx is equal to minus c sine of x. Now replace the c from this and this one. So it becomes now y1 is equal to minus of sine x, and c means here y divided by cosine of x. Now it means that one, this differential equation becomes now y1 equal to minus sine x divided by cosine x into y. So this one is the formation of differential equation. What you have to do, replace dy dx as minus dx dy. Now replace here, it becomes now minus dx dy equal to minus sine x divided by cosine x into y. Now simplified, when you simplify, it becomes dx dy equal to minus minus cancel sine x divided by cosine x into y, and now solve it. Now solve it this one. When I try to solve this one, it is now dx dy equal to sine x divided by cosine of x into y. Solve it by using variable separable. It becomes cosine x divided by sine x dx is equal to y divided by y into dy. Integrate it. So derivative of sine x is cosine x. So it is ln of sine x plus c equal to y square by 2. Now this one is the orthogonal trajectory, but it is passing through pi by 2 comma 1. It is passing through pi by 2 comma 1. That means replace x is equal to pi by 2 and y is equal to 1. So ln sine pi by 2 plus c, y is equal to 1 by 2. So pi by 2 sine pi by 2 means 1. So ln of 1 is 0. So c is equal to half. So c is equal to half. Now replace this one here. Ln sine x plus 1 by 2 equal to y square by 2. So this one is the orthogonal trajectory of the given function, where the curve passing through pi by 2 comma 1. Now another example which is very beautiful question is that find the orthogonal trajectory of x plus y equal to c e power y, which is passing through 1 comma 2 where c is the parameter. So what we have to do, again you have to differentiate 1 times. So when you differentiate, it becomes 1 plus y1 equal to c e power y, using here chain rule, and y1. Now simplified, we get 1 plus y1 equal to c e power y, means x plus y into y1. Now see, there is no parameter, it means that one. This is the formation of differential equation. So what you have to do, simplify it. It means simplify means keep all y1 term one side. So x plus y minus y1. So when you write it like that, 1 equal to, keeping y1 common, it comes x plus y minus 1. Means we can write it 1 divided by x plus y minus 1 equal to dy dx. Replace that one. It becomes now 1 divided by x plus y minus 1 equal to minus dx dy. Now see that one, we cannot solve it. We cannot solve it. But if I write this one as dy dx minus equal to x plus y minus 1, then, or we can write it like that also, minus dy dx minus dy dx minus y equal to x minus 1. Now if you compare that, we can write it dy dx plus y equal to 1 minus x. Now easily we can write the p and q value, because of the differential equation is given here, dy dx plus y equal to 1 minus x. So p equal to 1 here and q is equal to 1 minus x. Therefore integrating factor is e power p dx, means e power p means 1 dx. So it is coming e power x. So the general solution is y times into integrating factor equal to q. Q means 1 minus x into integrating factor dx plus c. Now simplified, e power x y equal to, just integrate by parts. So 1 minus x, integration of e power x is this one, plus minus derivative of 1 minus x is minus 1, integration of e power x is again this one, plus c. So y e power x is equal to 1 minus x e power x minus minus plus e power x plus c. But since it is passing through, one comma 2, means x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, replace here. So 2 e power 1 equal to 1 minus 1 into e power 1 plus e power 1 plus c. So see that one, 2e and this one is 0, minus e equal to c. This means c is equal to e. Therefore orthogonal trajectory which is passing through the 1 comma 2 is, replace this one here. So this becomes now y into e power x is equal to 1 minus x e power x plus e power x plus c means e. This is the answer of the orthogonal trajectory of the function which is passing through point 1 comma 2.